Selection control statements or case control statements. A more structured and a more compact way of evaluating multiple conditions in a C program is by using the switch case statements. The general syntax of a switch case statement is, you can see on the screen, flowchart is available. Switch expression, open brace, case A, statement A, break, case B, statement B, break, case C, statement C, break, default, statement D, break, close brace, then rest of the program statements. First, the expression followed the keyword switch is executed. It can evaluate only an integer value or character value. This value is then compared against the case values defined. If a case value matches with the expression value, then the statements following that case evaluated. If none of the case values have matched with the expression value, then the statements following the keyword default are executed. The keyword break is used to exit from the switch block after the execution of the statements associated with a particular case and resume execution at the statement immediately following the end of the switch block. The switch case conditional construct. This switch case conditional construct is a more structured way of testing for multiple conditions rather than resorting to a cascading or a multiple if statement. A switch case makes for better readability and hence makes the code better understandable. The switch case statement is used in situations where, based on the value of a variable, certain actions need to be taken. Switch specifies the variable name which has to be compared with the specified cases. The variable must be an integer or a character variable. The case statements specify variables which must be integers or character constants. They also specify the action to be taken if the value specified in the case statement matches with the value of the switch variable. After the action for a particular case value is specified, the break statement is used to bring the control out of the switch block of the statements and to the statement immediately following the switch block. If the break statement is not specified after the statement associated with each case statement, then all the statements associated with the other case statements will also be executed. This will be in addition to the statements associated with the case statement whose value evaluated to the value of the variable specified in the switch statement. This is because when one of the case statements is evaluated as true, the action statements are executed until a break statement sends a control out of the switch block of the statement, or the switch block comes to an end. The default statement is optional and is used for handling situations where none of the case statements are evaluated as true. The case and default statements can occur in any order. You can see the flowchart on the screen. Switch case. Let us take an example. The following program determines whether the character entered is between 0 and 9. stdio.h, this header file I am including, coming to the main function, in brace char chr. Chr equals getChar. This reads the character. F-flush stdin. This clears the buffer in the standard input device. Switch chr. This begins